Use the following 3 free tools to earn $200 per image you upload to. No camera needed, no skills or experience required, no affiliate marketing, and no websites or social media accounts with thousands of followers. Just use these 3 simple tools to get paid $200 each time you upload images from anywhere in the world, spending nothing. Yes, this takes you just a few minutes and you can upload images as much as you like to multiply your earnings. Before starting the tutorial, I would like to congratulate Michelle Taylor who won the $1,000 premium course by commenting his favorite singer. Well, she's my favorite singer as well. Michelle, I'll send you the course tonight, and you also can win this course by commenting what will you do to the first $1,000 you earn online. Type down below. Back to the tutorial. So first I'll show you the sites that get you paid, while the other 3 will be doing all the work for you for completely free. So make sure you watch every second of this video so you won't miss any of them. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so I'll be sending you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Go to logomyway.com. Well, this is a website that several companies around the world who come to get logo designs done for them. It says get a logo design you love guaranteed. Start a logo contest now and receive dozens of creative logo concepts. Choose from 70 to 600 plus custom logo designs for professional and creative logo designers from all over the world. So that makes sense. Anyone from anywhere in the world can do this. The companies that come on this website will ask for logo designs, and this site's designers will give them literally dozens of options to choose from, and the person who made the design that's chosen from the particular company will get paid. Simple as that. So do you have any design skills? Good if you have, but if you have no idea about it, the 3 tools I'm gonna show you will do that for you just within a few minutes. To join this, you can scroll down. Logo My Way featured in Entrepreneur Magazine, CNBC, Business First, and Huffington Post. So you can see some of the logos designed by the designers out here. You can check how this works. I'm not gonna read all these out because it takes a lot of your time. You can go through these. Scroll down and go to Logo Designers Make Money. In order to sign up, you can just fill out this form, and it says contest prizes may vary from $200 to $1,000. Fast 24 to 48 hour payout, and it's absolutely free to join. To be honest, there's a small competition in this site, but imagine just a one customer picking the logo you uploaded will make you hundreds of dollars for sure. So you can go and sign up and start making money from this site. Now let's go to the second site. It's called 99designs.com. So as it says, 99 Designs is the go-to graphic design service by Vistaprint. We make it easy to work with professional creative experts from around the world and build your brand through custom memorable design. So you can go to these categories and see that there are a lot more options for you. As an example, there are website builders, web page designs, WordPress theme designs, landing page designs, app designs, logo and brand identity packs, illustrations or graphics, product packagings. You can go through all this. It's not just logos. Just look at the prices they pay. For a logo and a business card, they pay $450, and there are many more ways of earning money. For now, we are talking about logos actually. So in order to sign up, you should come down and click this Become a Designer. Fire up your freelance career. This is not like Fiverr and all. That means you will earn a ton of money by designing logos out here, not just $5 or $10 or $15. And you can apply here by clicking this apply now button and just sign up by filling a simple form. So now let's get back to our third site. It's called designcrowd.com. This is the best of the websites that I showed you. Here also you won't be doing just logo designs. If you hover your mouse to categories, and you'll see what I mean. There are hundreds of ways you can earn money. Just logo design, business card design, web design, WordPress, banner ads, newsletters, flyers, brochures, posters, postcards. And let me tell you one thing. The second tool I'm gonna show you will help you design any of these categories. That tool will have hundreds of templates. You can just choose a template and edit it and make a professional design. So stay tuned to learn about that second tool I'm gonna tell you. I haven't told you about the first tool yet. You can head over to these designers and just click that. You can see $2.1115 million. This guy is from India and he has made $508,000. And another Indian has made $308,000. This guy from Chile has made $305,000. This guy from Philippines has made $299. US, UK, India, Mongolia. Just check the Macedonia, Georgia. Anyone in the world can join this site and earn tons of money. So in order to get started with this website, you can go to register and click on that and type your first name, email address, password, and you should tick this I'm a designer and continue and start earning money. So these are the three sites that will pay you for uploading images. Now let's see the free tools that will make you the hard part easier. So the first tool that will help you to make this hard part easier will be logomaker.com. Keep on mind, it should be logo maker, M-A-K-R, not M-A-K-E-R. If you go to logomaker.com, you will have to pay for designing logos. It's a completely different site from this. So here you can design any of your logos. It says search over 1 million graphics. So imagine you design a logo for a clothing brand. So you just type clothes and just see there are millions of illustrations you can choose. So you just choose one. You can resize it, you can add text from here, you can add shapes, you can paint it. From these three buttons you can replace graphics and go to option, take it to front, send it to backwards, copy paste, flip horizontally, flip vertically, and change the colors. You can do whatever you like and create a professional looking logo from this, and it's absolutely free. And now we are going down to the second tool. Remember the second tool I told you before, that you can make as many designs you like, not just logos. You may know this tool. So let's go to the second tool. It's called canva.com. You should sign up for a new account using your email, and to be honest, this is for those who don't want to design in free logo maker. This has tons of templates to choose from, and in 99 Design and Design Crowd there are companies who want many graphics other than logos. So you can choose from thousands of templates from here. You can go to templates and search. You can go hover over these categories and see the templates they got. And so this is $1 million free tool that will make you tons of money for absolutely free. But there's a paid version as well, but the free version will do everything for you. So get started by signing up. This is a bonus tip. If you want any copyright free images, vectors, or illustrations, you can go to pexels.com or pixabay.com or unsplash.com and download high resolution files for free. And let's move on to the last tool. It's called snappa.com. So as it says, create online graphics in a snap, whip up graphics for social media, ads, blogs, and more, even if you are not a graphic designer. So you can get started for free, and this free version will do everything for you. And you can go through this and see what this will do for you, how will this make money for you, and you can bookmark all three of these free tools and use them whenever you want. So guys, see which of the three tools I showed you fits the best. Even you can use all three of them, and and thanks to these 3 tools we can earn some decent amount of money. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll be replying to each and every comment of you as soon as possible. So I really hope you guys got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new content. As always, thanks for watching.